Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell.
Yes, your support helps us make more long English practice videos every week. All right, let's begin today's long, slow English conversation.
Hi, Hasan. How are you today?
I'm good, Rima. How about you?
I'm great. I'm ready for a long English practice session.
Same here. Let's speak slowly so beginners can follow easily.
Yes, simple and clear English helps everyone learn better.
Okay, Rima. Let's start with introductions. My name is Hasan. I am 25 years old. I work in an office. I like watching movies, reading stories, and traveling.
Nice. My name is Rima. I am 22 years old. I am a student. I enjoy cooking, listening to music, and learning English.
Wow, nice hobbies. Why do you want to learn English?
Because English helps me study, communicate, and understand people from other countries.
That's true. English is very helpful.
Hasan, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I met a friend and went for a walk. Then I cooked dinner.
You cooked. That's great.
Yes, I am learning new recipes.
I stayed home, cleaned my room, and watched a movie.
Nice. What movie did you watch?
A simple English movie. It helps me learn conversation.
That's smart. Watching English movies improves listening skills.
Right. Speaking is even more important.
Hasan, what is your daily routine?
I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get ready for work. After that, I eat breakfast and go to the office. I return home at 6 p.m., eat dinner, relax, and then sleep.
My routine is different. I wake up at 7 a.m., drink water, and stretch my body. Then I study English, prepare my breakfast, and work on my assignments.
That's a good routine. Studying every day is important. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm. Do you like sunny weather?
Sometimes, but I also like rainy days.
Rainy days are relaxing. I like drinking tea when it rains.
Same here. Tea and rain are the perfect combination.
Rima, can I ask you a few questions?
Sure. Go ahead.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
I like green. It feels peaceful.
Nice choice. Next question. What is your favorite animal?
I like cats. They are cute and friendly.
I love birds. They make me feel happy.
Great. Last question. What is your favorite fruit?
Mango. I love mangoes.
Me too. Mango is the king of fruits.
Hasan, how about meeting this weekend?
That sounds great. What do you want to do?
We can go to the park. It's peaceful and beautiful.
Good idea. We can walk, talk, and enjoy nature.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 4 p.m.
Perfect. I'm excited. Let's practice shopping English. Imagine we are in a clothing shop.
Okay.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It is 600 taka.
Is there any discount?
Yes, there is a 15% discount today.
Great. I will buy it.
Would you like a bag?
Yes. Thank you.
Hasan, let's practice asking for directions.
Sure. Where do you want to go?
Excuse me, could you tell me how to go to the railway station?
Yes. Go straight, then take the second right. The station will be on your left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's very close. Walk for 2 minutes and you'll see it on the corner.
Great. Thank you. Hasan, can we practice a doctor conversation?
Sure.
Hello, doctor. I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
No, just a headache.
Don't worry. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Please take rest.
Hasan, what hobbies do you want to try in the future?
I want to learn photography. I love taking pictures of nature.
That's interesting. I want to learn drawing and maybe dancing.
That's a beautiful hobby.
Hasan, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I would go to Turkey. The history and buildings are amazing.
Wonderful choice. I want to go to Japan. I love their culture, food, and technology.
Do you enjoy long flights?
Not really, but I enjoy looking out of the airplane window.
The view looks magical from above.
Let's do a longer shopping conversation.
Okay.
Excuse me, do you have medium-size t-shirts?
Yes, they're right over there.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, here it is.
How much is it?
It's 750 taka.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the trial room is that way.
It fits well. I'll take it.
Will you pay by cash or card?
By cash, please.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Hasan, next time, let's try a new restaurant.
Yes, maybe something Italian. Pizza? Pasta?
I love pasta.
Let's plan soon. Rima, what do you find difficult about studying?
Sometimes, focusing for a long time is hard.
Same here. But taking short breaks helps.
Yes, and speaking every day improves skills.
That's correct.
Hasan, technology is everywhere now.
Yes, we use phones, computers, smartwatches, everything.
Do you use your phone for learning?
Yes, I use apps, videos, and online courses.
That's very helpful.
Rima, your English is improving a lot.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You speak clearly and confidently.
And Hasan, your pronunciation is very natural.
Thank you. Rima, I will ask 5 questions. Ready?
Ready.
What time do you usually wake up? What makes you happy? What food do you like the most? What is your dream job? What is one thing you want to learn this year?
Rima, learning English is hard sometimes.
Yes, but every day you learn something new.
Practice makes progress.
Don't give up. We believe in everyone watching this video.
Keep practicing. You will improve.
Hasan, today we practiced so many topics.
Yes, greetings, daily routine, directions, doctor, shopping, travel, restaurant, feelings, hobbies, work, technology, and questions.
This was a long and helpful English session.
I enjoyed it a lot.
I hope our viewers enjoyed it too.
If you liked this long conversation, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment.
And share it with your friends who want to learn English.
See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.